Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is a quick tutorial on how to create a rounded effect on your photos. So when you put it on your websites, it looks like professional made photography. So let's take a look at the first picture here. It works on banners too. This is just a sample, but the same concept is the same. First thing we're going to do, we want to create a new layer. Well, first off, if this is a low quality image, you might want to change the image mode and change it to RGB. Most of the times when you get like a GIFs or low quality bit rates, it stays unindexed. You want to change it to RGB so that you can do all this stuff. Alright, so that aside, you start off with a rounded rectangle tool. You click on it, make sure that it's on the rounded rectangle. Your radius could be whatever you want. Typically it's between 10 or 15. So let's say I want to stick with 15. Alright, so we have that. Next thing you want to do now, you want to create a new layer, because this is the layer that you're going to draw the rectangle on. So let's start drawing it. Alright, let's say I wanted it from right here. Perfect. Now don't worry about the fill. The fill is actually very minor. But the next thing you want to do, you want to click on your background, right click, duplicate layer. Whoa, excuse me. Duplicate, not delete, please. Alright, excellent. Once you have that, you want to click on the layer that you just now made, which is layer 1 here in my example. You want to click on where it says add layer mask. Now that layer mask is actually the shape that you just now made, right? So the next thing you want to do now is to click right back on the background layer that you first made, right click and delete layer, or just press delete on your keyboard. Yes. Now the next thing you want to do is click on the actual layer mask that you made. Right, hold the control key, click it again, go to select, inverse. Now the next thing you want to do is click on the background that you just now made, the background copy, hit the delete key once, just like that. Click on the first layer on the little eye over here, just like that. Notice how everything in the background is transparent. The final thing you want to do now is save it as a PNG file. So just go to save as PNG and save. So now the last thing that you're going to get now, let me just refresh this, is this. Notice how all my corners, it's all rounded up. That's exactly what you want. Excellent. So any questions, comments, concerns, leave me a comment on YouTube and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Alright guys, take care.